In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft PowerPoint to default settings. This quick walkthrough is for the Windows version of PowerPoint and focuses on restoring the ribbon and related interface customizations back to their original state, which is perfect if your toolbar layout feels cluttered or something just isn't where you expect it to be. First, open PowerPoint. You can start with a blank presentation. The content of the file doesn't matter because this process affects the app's interface, not your slides or files. Next, go to the File tab in the top left corner of the window. This takes you into the Backstage view, where you manage the overall settings for PowerPoint. In the left-hand column, scroll down and select Options. This opens the PowerPoint Options window, where you can configure features across the entire application. In the Options window, look to the left sidebar and click Customize Ribbon. This is the area that controls what you see on the ribbon, the tabs, groups, and commands along the top of PowerPoint. If you've added custom tabs, moved commands around, or hidden default tabs, this is where those changes live. Now look for the Reset button near the bottom right of this window. It has a small drop-down arrow. Click Reset, and you'll see two choices. Reset Only Selected Ribbon tab will restore the single tab you currently have highlighted in the list to its original layout, leaving everything else as is. This is ideal if just one tab is out of place. Reset All customizations will restore the entire ribbon to factory defaults and also clear any changes you've made to the Quick Access toolbar. Choose the option that best fits your situation. After you click your Reset choice, PowerPoint may prompt you to confirm. Accept the prompt, and the interface will revert to its default setup. You should see tabs and commands back in their original positions. If you had custom tabs or rearranged groups, those will be removed as part of the reset. A couple of helpful notes here. Resetting the ribbon does not delete your presentations, templates, or themes. It's strictly about the interface layout. If you rely on a particular arrangement, consider taking a moment to note what you customized before resetting so you can recreate any essential tweaks later. Changes typically apply immediately, and if you don't notice them right away, they'll be in place the next time you launch PowerPoint. That's it. Open PowerPoint, go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and use Reset to bring everything back to the default layout. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get PowerPoint feeling clean and familiar again.